And there you have it. You have reached the end of this course, and I want to thank you very much for joining me. I'm excited that you are now well enough informed to speak intelligently with people who are building AI systems, and to identify what role you might want to play in implementing AI. There are lots of options, and you get to pick whichever fits your temperament the best. I would like you to extend your education in whatever way makes sense for you. Check out other online education opportunities and community organizations like your university of choice. If you want to understand how AI is being applied to marketing and advertising, take a look at my other course on this platform, AI for Marketing. I also recommend that you follow Cassie Karskarov, Head of Decision Intelligence at Google. She's smart, sure, but she's also entertaining. Go see how they are teaching robots how to dance, and go laugh at spurious correlations. And if you really want to know about data science and dig deeply into machine learning, I recommend This Week in Machine Learning and AI, the podcast. It gets very deep very quickly, but is a great way to learn the language of data science by listening to how data scientists talk to each other. It's eye-opening. And now I want you to do me a favor. Please get in touch with me directly and tell me about your progress in adopting artificial intelligence and machine learning. We're at the very beginning of this new exciting technology, and sharing your experience with me will allow me to help others. Please email me at jstern@targeting.com or find me on Twitter @JimStern, because now it's my turn to learn from you.